Too hot? Cool down instantly with the BAVIN BF002 Turbo Fan. 5 powerful speeds, crank it up to 5 level with 13,500 RPM turbo engine, high-speed fan, instant cooling anytime, anywhere. Durable protection, foldable. You can also use it as a stand up to 7 to 8 hours. Comes with a lanyard. Hands-free convenience. Feel the breeze even when the fan is just hanging on you. Type-C charging. Take it anywhere. Forest adventures, school campuses, home spaces, malls, and school canteen. Easy to put in your pocket. And that's the BAVIN BF002. Turbocharge your cool.